Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're taking a simple baked cod recipe and turning it into a flavor bomb. We're using our Marisquera Red to build a rich, coastal-inspired bake that's bright, savory, and packed with the king of flavor. Begin with 1/4 cup olive oil, drop in 2 cloves of fresh chopped garlic, and now we'll add about 1 ounce of our Marisquera Red. It's made for dishes just like this because its coastal flavor profile pairs perfectly with seafood and makes even mild fish taste richer and more vibrant. Give all that a good mix and pour about half of it into your baking dish. Now add your fresh cod fillets, gently working them into the oil. Season the cod to taste with salt and pepper. Add a few cherry tomatoes, a few sprigs of thyme, and pour the rest of the oil on top. This is going to be delicious. Now for a little freshly squeezed lemon juice, a few lemon slices, and this is ready for the oven. In the oven it goes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes or until it reaches a safe temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can remove it, garnish with fresh chopped parsley, and serve it up just the way you like. Thank you for watching today's video. We truly appreciate it. Until next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor, and we'll see you on the next one.